Hi students, the question is if tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x is equal. Question is if tan Hi students, the question is if tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan inverse minus 7, then we have to find x value. So what is given? And options are option A is 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D minus 3. So given tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to tan inverse minus 7. Okay, this is given. Now you use tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula. What is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B? It is tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. So instead of A you have this is B. Apply the formula. So it is tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x whole divided by 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, that is equal to tan inverse minus 7. So both the sides you have tan inverse. If you apply tan on both sides, tan inverse tan cancels. So only bracketed terms will be remaining. Therefore, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x whole divided by 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x is equal to minus 7. Are you getting? So both sides we have applied tan function and cancelled tan inverse both sides. Now you take LCM and cross multiply, you are going to get the equation, and simplify that, you will get the answer. Okay. So x plus 1 into x plus x minus 1 into x minus 1. So since the denominator of the numerator, denominator of the denominator both are same, I am not going to take the denominator, that will cancel. Therefore, x minus 1 into x minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is equal to minus 7. So it is x square plus x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square minus x minus x square minus minus plus 1 is equal to minus 7. Correct? Calculation is correct. Okay. So now so to have continuity, hi students, the question is, if tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan inverse minus 7, then you have to find the value of x. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D minus 3. Okay. So what is given? Tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to tan inverse minus 7. So it is like tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse C. Okay. So what is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula? It is tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. So instead of A you have this, instead of B you have this. So apply tan inverse A plus B formula. So tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x whole divided by 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x. Correct? So this x minus 1 you can cancel. It is there in both numerator and denominator. In between multiplication is there, you can cancel. Here you cannot cancel. So this is equal to tan inverse minus 7. Correct? It is tan inverse minus 7. Now apply tan function on both sides. Tan inverse cancels. So, and simultaneously you can take LCM also. So you will get it as x plus 1 into x plus x minus 1 whole square divided by x minus 1 into x whole divided by x minus x plus 1 divided by x. This x you can cancel. That is equal to minus. Are you getting? So here x and minus x also cancels. Therefore, this implies x square plus expand in the numerator. X plus x square plus 1 minus 2x. Denominator you will have x minus 1, this x minus 1. That is equal to minus 7. So x square, it is 2x square. X minus 2x is minus x plus 1 is equal to cross multiply 7x minus 7x plus 7. Okay. So now move all the terms this side. It is 2x square plus 8x 2x square plus 8x minus 6. Is it correct? correct? So that is equal to 0. So it is x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Now, splitting the middle term, what will you get? Is it possible to have splitting the middle term? Or we have to use b square minus 4ab to find the root. What you have to do? Hi students, the question is tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan inverse of minus 7. So you need to find the value of x. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D minus 3. So given tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan inverse minus 7. Okay, take this as A and this as B. That is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula. That is tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. Instead of A you have this, instead of B you have this. So use that formula. Tan inverse A is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus B is x minus 1 divided by x divided by 1 minus A into B. 1 minus A into B. So 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x. That is equal to this side, keep it as it is. Okay. This tan inverse minus 7. Okay. So now you apply both sides tan function. So tan inverse tan cancels. You are going to get only the bracketed term. So x plus 1, simultaneously if you want you can cross multiply also, but let me write separately first, divided by x. So I will write this one here. It is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x whole divided by 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to minus 7. You have cancelled tan inverse on both sides by applying tan function. Okay. Now you take LCM and simplify very carefully. Okay. So you can cancel this term. So x into x plus 1 cross multiplication plus x minus 1 whole square whole divided by x minus 1 into x. So now you take denominator. Okay. It is x minus x plus 1 divided by x. This x you can cancel, that is equal to minus 7. Correct? So denominator simplifies to x square plus x. Numerator is x square plus x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x, because x minus 1 the whole square is x square plus 1 minus 2x. Denominator will be x minus 1 only. So I'll write here into, simplify this. This is x minus x cancels, minus 1 is equal to minus 7. Okay. So now to have continuity, I will take this equation to the next slide and simplify. Okay. So the equation we got is 2x square minus x plus 1 divided by minus 1 into x minus 1, that is equal to minus 7. So it is 2x square minus x plus 1 into minus 7 into 1 minus x. Correct? This implies 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to minus 7 plus x. Is that correct? Minus 7 plus x. This implies 2x square minus 7. This is plus 7x, correct? Because 7 you have to multiply. So this is equal to, move that one to this side, 8x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 2. So check the options. It is 2, 1, 3, minus 3. So option A, 2 is the correct answer. Lengthy procedure but easy, just based on tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula and quadratic equation. While doing calculation, be very careful. Otherwise, it is very easy question. Okay, thank you. Hi students, the question is sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse 4 by 5. You need to find the value of that. Okay, so take cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to theta. Okay, implies using Pythagoras theorem you can find even sin theta. Okay, cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. This is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So opposite will be 3. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Is that correct? Okay, correct. So now you have the formula sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. So using this formula we can easily find the value. So sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of, substitute of the value 1 minus what is cos theta? 4 by 5. Correct? 4 by 5, that is whole divided by 2. So that is equal to square root of 5 minus 4 divided by 10. That is square root of 1 by 10. So see the given expression. Sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse Hi students, the question is sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to what? So let us consider cos inverse 4 by 5 as theta. Okay. So cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So opposite will be 3. Therefore sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now we have the formula sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2. Correct? Substitute it. So square root of 1 minus what is cos theta? It is 4 by 5 whole divided by 2. That is equal to square root of 5 minus 4 divided by 2 into 5. That is equal to square root of 1 by 10. So sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 by 10. Now see the given equation. It is sin 1 by 2 into cos inverse 4 by 5. But what is cos inverse 4 by 5? It is theta. So that is sin theta by 2 only, right? So sin theta by 2 is equal to root 1 by 10, or you can write that as 1 by root 10 also. Both are same. So sin theta by 2 is equal to given expression. Therefore, given expression reduces to 1 by root 10. So option A, 1 by root 10 is the correct answer. Got it right? Thank you. Hi students, the question is, if cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z is equal to 3 pi, you need to find xy plus yz plus xz. So given cos inverse x plus cos inverse y cos inverse z is equal to pi. Correct? 3 pi they have. But maximum value of cos inverse x can be pi. So each one, if you have the value as pi, then only you can get this as 3 pi. Therefore, cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse y, that is equal to cos inverse z, cos inverse z, that is equal to pi. Implies cos pi is equal to x, that is equal to y, that is equal to z. Is that correct? So what is cos pi? It is minus pi. That is equal to x, that is equal to y, that is equal to z. Each one is minus 1. Now you consider xy plus yz plus zx. So x is minus 1, y is also minus 1, plus y is minus 1, also minus 1, plus minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 3. So xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 3. So option C, 3 is the correct option. Got it right? Thank you. Hi students, the question is, if sine inverse x by 5 cosecant inverse pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2, then you have to calculate x value. So options are A3, B5, C1, D4. Okay. So let us take cosecant inverse pi by 4 as theta. Implies cosecant theta is equal to pi by 4. This implies sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Correct? So sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. So the given expression becomes sin inverse x by 5. Instead of cosecant inverse 5 by 4, you can write sin inverse 4 by 5. Or you can write that as theta itself. So let me write it as theta. So it is pi by 2. So sin inverse x by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. This implies you move sin inverse to other side. X by 5 is equal to sin of pi by 2 minus theta. Is that correct? Sine of pi by 2 minus theta. So x by 5 is equal to cos theta. Correct? X by 5 is equal to cos theta. But what is cos theta? So from this you can write cos theta as 3 by 5. So this is 3 by 5 by using Pythagoras. Opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So adjacent must be 3. So this implies x by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 or x is equal to 3. Got it right? So option A, 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option A, 3 is the correct answer. Thank you. Hi students, the question is, if a greater than b greater than 0, then the value of tan inverse a by b plus tan inverse a plus b divided by a minus b depends on. You need to check whether it depends on both a and b, only a, or neither a nor b. Okay, take it as small a. Okay, so tan inverse a by b plus tan inverse a plus b divided by a minus b, that is equal to, how do you calculate this? Use tan inverse formula. How do you write that one? Tan inverse